Hello viewers, welcome back with me, Arnisha Radif Azhara. We bring you the latest update regarding the KRL train accident in Bekasi. Here is the report. A train accident occurred at Bekasi station, Bekasi, West Java, involving the long-distance Argo Bromo Anggrek train and the Cikarang-Bon commuter line KRL train. The incident occurred on Monday evening, April 27, 2026. The accident is believed to have started at a level crossing near East Bekasi station. Initially, an electric taxi collided with a KRL train on the Jakarta-Bon tracks. The taxi collided with the KRL train as it crossed the tracks. The collision disrupted traffic. As a result of the first accident, a KRL train bound for Cikarang stopped at East Bekasi station. The second KRL train was on the same track as the Argo Bromo Anggrek train. Shortly afterward, the Argo Bromo Anggrek train collided with the rear of the Cikarang-Bon KRL train. The impact was reportedly so strong that it caused severe damage to the train. The front of the long-distance train reportedly penetrated the woman's car. The latest data show the death toll has reached 14, while dozens more were injured. Meanwhile, all 240 passengers on the Argo Bromo Anggrek train were safely evacuated. That concludes our report on the KRL train accident in Bekasi. I'm Arnisha Radif Azhara, signing off. Thank you for watching and stay safe.